I've always been embarrassed with my teeth ever since I was little. They just don't grow right. I've had some pulled and everything like that. But when I found Pop-On Veneers, I instantly picked them up. Ordered my impression kit, did all that, sent it in, and came back with these. I'm so much more confident when I talk to people. I can actually hold a conversation and laugh and smile with somebody without being embarrassed of the bad spots on my teeth or anything like that. My wife loves it. She loves that I smile. It's just a confidence boost and all around good feeling. It really is. I highly recommend it to anybody who doesn't like the dentist but wants that great smile. It's worth it. It really, really is. Now, I thank Pop-On Veneers from the bottom of my heart, and I hope somebody else has this experience.